Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy coming in for another weekly update, and today's update is actually going to be around our website and what you can do on here to really jumpstart 2025. So I'm going to go over let's go over three things, top three things that you can do to jumpstart 2025. If you're coming in, new year, new me, you want to hit all your resolutions. So first thing first, if you're just now getting into Command and maybe you want to get just kind of a nice refresher on everything, under our agent resources section on here, first and foremost, remember to sign in with your Market Center number. Under the agent resources section on here, every other Monday we have a live webinar about how to best utilize Command. Where is everything located? What all does it do? So if you're coming in from another CRM, this is a great item to start with. So I'm actually going to do top four things, because I'm going to do two number ones. So number one on here is to check out that webinar every other Monday, or of course you can come onto the training section to view that on here. But the other thing I wanted to highlight is our challenge. If you were going through and saying, hey, I was utilizing Command and maybe I want to utilize it a little bit further on here, take advantage of this challenge. You can find this as a smart plan as well too, but if you click on that challenge, we're going to have the Command option on here, and this is going to be over 30 days how you can best utilize all the different tools that are available for you and give you a nice little item on here where you can mark this off, add in some notes, adding goals on here, and be able to make sure that you're taking advantage of everything possible. Now, the good part is it's not just Command specific. We're also going to go into other items that we can do for you. We're going to talk about some external items like creating a free business or Google business page, things to help you out with your business to make sure you're standing out in front of everything. All right, so that is number one on there. Either learn a little bit more about Command and how to utilize it, or obviously come through here and do that challenge on your own on here too. Now, number two is to take advantage of some of the different marketing options that we have available, specifically our support section on here. These are, once again, all free items that we can do for you. So in this case, if you want to go in here and see some of the different items that are accessible, we can do all of this for you that typically an admin or marketing person would do instead. So on here, you can view our top rated items. You can view our marketing support specific items, primarily this monthly newsletter smart plan. This is a very heavily requested item from agents that we started to do recently. So we started doing it in June of 2024. And every month we're going to come out with a new newsletter that you can send out to your database to get your name in front of everyone possible. So we want to make sure that when they think of a real estate agent, you're the first person that comes to mind. Or if they're thinking of, referring one of their friends, family members, neighbors, whatever it might be, we want to make sure that you're the first person that comes top of mind on there. All right, we also happen to have a bunch of additional items around just getting started in general as an agent, or if you're just now utilizing the KW platform, if you want to go through and adjust some items. We have an entire section around rebranding. Even if it's just something simple like, hey, I've got new social media URLs, I've got a new phone number now, I have a new email on here. Maybe you've gone through and you are now creating a team. We can add that in for you. And a plethora of website options. So if you're going through and you want to add in any of these extra pages, we can get all these ready to go for you right away. Now, some of them will require you to actually have a subscription to that particular platform, specifically on here, like Keeping Current Matters, for instance, or Neo. So on here, these are just platforms that a lot of agents will sometimes have access to if they're utilizing those. So if you do see that on here, I just want to give you a heads up, you have to have a subscription to those. But other things like Google Analytics, What's My Home Worth, adding testimonials, add an app download page, or heck, just adding in every page possible on your website to spruce it up, we can do that right away. And speaking of external items, we also have a section around just building your business. So if you want to take advantage of some of the extra items that we can get up and running for you, whether it's a Canva account, Zoom account, digital business card, TidyCal account, we can get that going right away. Now, the final thing I do want to highlight on here is around the marketing section, and that is under our templates, our Agent Concierge option. This is where you can come on here and request for us to make listing-specific marketing collateral for you to help out immediately. So if you have a new listing and you need a piece created, you can come on here, fill out this form, let us know which office you're a part of, and then just go through and complete everything so we can get this started right away. All right. So this will help us to actually see what you need created, what the address is, what template you'd like it done under, and then we're going to send this back to you within one business day, highlighting that particular property, highlighting your office, highlighting your information yourself, and then giving you step-by-step directions how you can take this piece and turn it into a smart plan, or how you can actually post it out over on social as well too. All right. So starting up 2025, those are the top 3 things that I would suggest on our website to take advantage of immediately. All right, first thing first was, once again, around the training side. Whether you just need a refresher, we've got that live webinar every other Monday. Obviously, we have live webinars every Monday through Friday, but every other Monday is going to be the one just about Command specifically. Or under training, we have our challenge if you want a more hands-on option. We have our agent support section. That was number 2 on here, where you can actually request us to do specific items for you to help you out and save time. And then finally, if you have any listings, let us create those marketing pieces for you to get that taken off your plate. So there you go. So here's to 2025. Here's to a fantastic year, great start so far. If y'all need anything, feel free to reach out to us, but let us know how we can help out, and looking forward to working with you even more.